Welcome to the UASMaster video tutorial how to download and install the demo data. You should have already completed the video how to register and download inpho software. From this previous video you received a login and password for the inpho download page. Please navigate to www.imaging-download.com and log in with your user ID and password. Select the tab Info and choose from the navigation here on the left side Product Downloads. We select the product UASMaster. At UASMaster we select the sample data folder. The UASMaster sample data is a self-extracting file called trainingdata_uas.exe. Please assure to have 380 MB of space at your download area. Select Download to start the download of the sample data. After the download finished, we will self-extract the sample data to our computer. Please navigate to your download folder. Double-click the file Training Data UAS executable. Select the destination folder where you have approximately 512 MB of space. Hit the Extract button and check if the extraction was successful. There should be a folder called trainingdata_UAS, and there should be 3 folders: Images, Input and Project. The Images folder contains 41 JPEG images. The Input folder contains 3 files: the GNSS IMU data, the ground control points, and the sketches for the ground control points. The folder Project contains 2 project files, one with the completed project and one with a prepared setup for the tutorial. You are now ready to continue with the UASMaster tutorials with the sample data. Have a nice day.